Hey loves, I'm back. I know it's been a really long time, but that's because I've been in my whole nesting pregnancy vibes on our third baby due in July. So I've kind of just slowed down on everything else, but I was so excited to get back on here and do some installs for you guys. RPG Show, as you know, never disappoints us, and they've went and upgraded their already amazing wigs. So let's take a deep dive onto what they've changed. All right, so we all know how it is when you put on a wig and you get this puckering where the lace is just hovering over your forehead almost, and then you have to spend all this time to put product and try to get that seamless glueless look and install. Well, with the Glueless Fit 2.0, they've now changed that, so you're getting a very snug fit of the lace. It's gonna practically hug your forehead. And as you can see, this is day 2 with her. And I legit only did like a few dabs of foam on the install. So, I mean, the fit, how she lays is flawless. So the length is 16 inches and it is a 13x6 cap. You can see she goes very deep in the parting section, and it's a 200% density, which for me is absolutely perfect, especially because she has a layer already cut into her. So I'm not gonna lie, this wig basically comes salon ready. You take it out of the box, you cut the lace, and you go. I didn't put any styling products or do anything to her. Just put it on, cut it, and out the door. So on top of this new upgrade of the Glueless Fit 2.0, you're even getting a tinted lace, which is a transparent Swiss lace, and this one is light brown. Now, I think that's brilliant because we all have tried lace tints and different things. So the lace already coming with a tint on there makes your job easier. I didn't have to match or blend anything with makeup. I didn't use any lace tint in addition on top of it. It already gives the perfect illusion of like a natural hairline. Like the cast that it gives from the color is slightly darker than my skin tone, but nothing like, oh, that's a wig. I mean, this looks 100% natural. Just between yesterday and today, I've gotten so many compliments on this color and the style. It's just very, very flattering. Now, even though I've cut many of lace on wigs, I was still a little cautious and nervous in a sense that like this hairline is so good, so flawless, so undetectable that even me following the hairline, I was like, oh my God, I'm probably gonna cut too much. So for a beginner, I would just say follow the hairline, the existing hairline that they give you. One, it's already perfection. And then from there, if you want to cut and trim a little bit more, go for it. Now on the ear tabs, I do spend more time. I wanted it to have a very natural kind of excess piece on the sides, just in case I wanted to leave some excess out or I want to pull it up later. I didn't want there to be some odd gap in between my ear. So just trace out where your ear is so there's nothing rubbing or irritating, and that will also ensure that it's going to lay nice and flat. Now, as you see, I did a very, very light hold. I'm already using glueless products because I'm not a fan of any harsh glues. I like things to be quick, either, you know, same day, putting on the wig, taking it off kind of deal. Just enough to feel secure is kind of where I live. But if you do want a little bit extra on the ear tab, you can always use tried and true, you know, gel, got to be, whatever you want to put on the tab. So that way, when you're pulling or you want to show off the hairline, you don't have to worry about that tab flapping, because all this for sure is snug. You know, she's not going anywhere. And again, that was with a spritz of spray, a little bit of foam on the edge of the hair, and then putting on the elastic band for like a couple minutes. So if you don't want to worry about getting the hair caught up in the Velcro, which is kind of why I struggled my first attempt of getting it on, you can do it backwards as well, just so you can see exactly where that Velcro is, like this, and you won't get any of the hairs in the way. Thank you so much, RPG Show, for sending me this gorgeous wig to play with. I was so excited to get my hands on her, and now you guys can see why. The color, the cut, just everything absolutely to die for. So happy 18th anniversary. I'm so excited to see what you guys are working on next. You definitely never cease to amaze me, and I'm definitely never disappointed with any of these styles. So make sure you check out the description box below for extra discounts and money off, especially on this unit, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.